abangani nabangane lapho sikhulume zabantu yabe sekudwini
ni selamukela enkundleni exclusive and mina kuyimi uJeya Leslie ngila namhlanje we are celebrating usuku lempilo ekababa uJoshua Mqabuko Nyongolo Nkomo engazi ngasichaya isintu ngasichala ngazizwa so si celebrate impilo ekababa uJoshua Mqabuko Nyongolo Nkomo and I know ukuthi kulenye indawo ezinzafika kiyo and ngiyakwazi ukuthi statement lesa sozesekela ukuphuma esokuthi ubaba uNkomo what this country will not die but the youth will save it. But well, we're celebrating an icon, we're celebrating a hero, especially esizweni sikamthwakazi la kuZimbabwe wonke nje jikelele ubaba owalwela ilizwe lethu ngamandla njalo wabambanisa isizwe wabambanisa abantu so mfuna uphomba uxoxisana labantu kwenza ukuthi kungabi iperspective yami kodwa ngizwe ukuthi abantu bona bathini ngempilo kababa uJoshua Mqabuko Nyongolo Nkomo. Well, unfortunately lapha engikhona abantu bagula abantu bazivalele ema-ofisini. I don't know what's happening but well ungabi le stress kare siyaphuma siyangena ekasi lapho abantu akade abaphila khona endaweni ebeziphila khona ubaba uJoshua Mqabuko Nyongolo Nkomo uthi sizwe ukuthi bafundani kuye kuyina bakwaziyo ngaye ama-2K phela bakwazi ezokuthiwa he was my crush so sifuna ukuzwa ukuthi bona bazini ngobaba uJoshua Mqabuko Nyongolo Nkomo. So this is enkundleni exclusive proudly brought to you by Deb3 Events for all your events work mawuyini okufunayo ngama-LED lights ngama-camera systems whatever that you may need silakho courtesy of Deb3 Events Studios. Well benzama ukuthalathalaza let me see if I can get someone engambuza ngomdala Unkomo. Right, so I've got umuntu wami oqala la all the way from Angazi baba Zita Matimunzani
in Sherrington
Mshabayira. Right nasi we are here to celebrate Joshua Mqabuko Nyongolo Nkomo. Chicha mnoziva about Joshua Mqabuko Nyongolo Nkomo.
Tinoziva kuti ndifadha Zimbabwe vakatimirira zvakanyanya
vakatimirira sei
pakutorwa kwakaita nyika yeZimbabwe.
Pakutorwa pakaita nyika yeZimbabwe. Saka what is it that you remember about Joshua Mqabuko Nyongolo Nkomo? Chicha munorangarira imini?
Ndinorangarira kuti vakambenge vari mutungamiriri wenyika. Vari mutedzeri wemutungamiriri wenyika.
Mutedzeri wemutungamiriri wenyika. Saka imimi mofana kundiitira chinhu one chete musati maenda. Munofana kungoti Mqabuko.
Mqabuko Nyongolo Nkomo.
Yes, thank you so much, Baba. Mqabuko Nyongolo Nkomo. So, well, we can't talk about culture without talking about creativity, and we can't talk about creativity without talking about culture. So, masikhuluma ngabadala esithi thina ngama icon aweZimbabwe, kuthi futhi kumele sizwe from an artist perspective. Karezi ngilo Arnold Ndebele from Sakunjalo Ma-Africa Arts. Baba, namhlanje we are celebrating ubaba uNkomo.
All right. Unjani baba General A?
Mina ngiyaphefumula. Right. Akunjelo ukukhumbulayo ngomdala uMqabuko Nyongolo Nkomo.
Engikukhumbulayo ukuthi mawufuna imali phendulela ibale lithi lima. Ngikukhumbulayo.
So uyalima.
Mina ngisamele iplaza but yaba right.
What the plans? Well, as ama creatives as the art, are there any things that you are doing go art sector in remembrance of ubaba uMqabuko Nyongolo Nkomo, maybe on a daily basis, maybe on a quarter basis or whatever? Silawo in ama programs that we have akhumbula ubaba uJoshua Mqabuko Nyongolo Nkomo.
Ama programs as for now asila but into esingayitsho ukuthi into ihamba phambili ubuntu mfowethu.
Yeah.
The men had ubuntu, the men had unity in mind. So I think that is what we're supposed to preach going on. Siya phambili especially kwento siqhubha sikhuluma ngayo akulo kwedlula khona.
Thank you so much. Siyabonga iflu first time ukuze Anore khuluma into lengqondo. Thank you so much Mr. Ndebele. So slogan emaweni. And right now celebrities are coming through ngilo mfana Msotho. Uzama ukubaleka but I've got him. Mfana Msotho buya. Awubakazi. Liyabaleka lini emsebenzini sizowaya strategy.
Hayi ndoda lethe leyo ngayipremiere.
Yes, right. Welcome back. Hi, Bendu. Right. So a quick one, right? Siku lunch break lapha and siyakholisa celebrating the life of ubaba uJoshua Mqabuko Nyongolo Nkoma. And right now ngilo we're doing introduction. KK mfana Msotho. Sure.
Ngishaphuta mzini.
Namhlanje celebrate umdala.
Yebo baba.
Uyini okukhumbula ngomdala?
Ibhoso.
Kuthiwa yezeni bo?
Ichila umoya. Kubula ibhoso bhuti omdala.
Ukubona ngebhoso vele xa ukhangela ibhoso vele yabona umdala vele mekwabana but well as umuntu omutsha kulomunye umuntu omutsha laphana maybe ongakwazi kakhulu ngokuncane nje about unkomo kuyini ongakushare la uthi mina I think ngazi lokhu ngomdala uJoshua Mqabuko Nyongolo Nkomo.
It's unfortunate angiyenza ngihistory mina esikolo kodwa ke angeke ngehle uphawula okubili ukuthi umdala walilwela ilizwe laye and nguye father Zimbabwe nguye ubaba wethu koBulawayo wasishiyela leli lizwe lethu koBulawayo phela uBulawayo vele izimele nje ulilizwe yethu yabona so naphalele khona umdala siqhubeka baba siyabonga ngelizwe lethu la koBulawayo.
Mfana Msotho veka kakhuluma ehlabela so qhubeka baba. Well we're moving sesikhamba. Thank you so much Mfana Msotho. Right, so I think maybe it's a walkway for creativity and sawas because this is what I'm getting here ngingaze nkomponi. Well maphela linjani ba?
Ngisaphila bhuti, how are you?
Mina lami ngiyaphefumula. Khamba njani namuhla? Kuyini okwaziyo nganamuhla?
Namuhla ibirthday yomngani wami so andalutho mawanika khona kokhona. Yabona simenzela ibirthday.
Well thina celebrate impilo kababa uJoshua Mqabuko Nyongolo Nkomo namhla.
Oh by the way. Ufather Zimbabwe.
Father Zimbabwe. Akusitshele into ezimbili uphela usikhumbula ngobaba uJoshua Mqabuko Nyongolo Nkomo.
Ubaba uJoshua Mqabuko Nkomo wayehamba ethwele induku. These days bathi licala ukuthwala induku. Kodwa indoda amele ithwala induku. Njo mdala lo. He never walked anywhere without induku yakhe. So kumele sibone ukuthi yebra Leslie.
Wayesele weapon.
Ele weapon yakhe. Indoda mayibele weapon ngendlela right.
All right, thank you so much for that. Right, trying to ihlalile weapon. Salibonani baba. Sixoxa lana 1 minute. So delani tuze baba. So delani tuze. Right, we're still talking about Ngicela Likhayele ngale camera. Siloko sikhuluma ngobaba uJoshua Mqabuko Nyongolo Nkomo in remembrance and sengilo umuntu omdala lapha mfuphomba ukuza ukuthi umdala yena ukhumbulani ngobaba uJoshua Mqabuko Nyongolo Nkomo. Salibonani baba liyathombani.
Mina igama lami kuthiwa nguLucky Ncube.
Lucky Ncube. Namhlanje celebrate impilo kababa uJoshua Mqabuko Nyongolo Nkomo. Aleke lisifundise mpijane lekukhumbulayo ngomuntu omdala.
Engikukhumbulayo engaqonza kancane ukuthi uJoshua Nkomo nguJoshua Nyongolo. Hayi khona Nyongolo kumbe Nyongolo, uNyongolo. Nkomo udabuka ekhezi endaweni yase Mbembeswana koNyongolo. Mina lami ngidabuka khona kodwa eDonkotongwe. uJoshua ngimkhumbula njengeqhawe elikhulu umsunguli wenkululeko yelizwe laseZimbabwe. Enguye njalo futhi owasungula inkululeko engaphansi kwalolu gatsha othiwa iWorkers Union. Yaqala lapho ke indaba kaNkomo esasebenza eNational Railways of Zimbabwe. Ngikho kusuka ke kwendaba zombangazwe eziqale uchisa kakhulu bapopular ngezikhathi zabo 1963. Kusukela lapho ke kwazi kwaya ziloke ipolitics zokukhulumisana kwazi kwangena esikhathini SMP yombangazwe eyachisa kakhulu ngama 70s khonapho kusuka kuma 78 79 eyachisa kakhulu ikho lapho eyaphelela khona ke sokubuya ilizwe leZimbabwe. Wayengumanyanisi wabantu, yikho uthola ukuthi usekelo lwakhe lwalungekho kuphela emaThebeleland but iZimbabwe yonke jikelele. Yikho lapho kusuka khona amagama awukuthi mhlawumbe uthola ukuthi Chibwe Chitedza, aso limi lwakithi ngapho kodwa ulimi lwaseMpumalanga. Lokho kukhomba ukuthi wayengumuntu owayemanyanise ilizwe lonke ejikelele. Nxa ekhangela inkululeko wayengakhangelanga inkululeko yohlangothi oluthile kodwa wayekhangele inkululeko yelizwe lonke laseZimbabwe. Umqondo wakhe wawusekuthini abantu bathole umhlaba wabo onjengokuthi umhlabathi. Yikuthola ukuthi kulokukhuluma okubanzi okuthize ayakukhulumayo abantu bengakunanzeleli ukuthi nxa ufuna imali lima, ukuthi ngezinye indlela wayekhuluma ngawo umhlabathi. Yikho nje okuqhakathekileyo engakukhuluma ngeqhawe lesizwe. May his soul rest in peace, uJoshua Mqabuko Nyongolo Nkomo.
Siyabonga baba. I think umuntu omutsha laye ozabukela kukhona okuncane asuke kudobhile la mhlawumbe akade engakwazi, mhlawumbe abekwazi mbijana kodwa engakuzwisisi. Siyabonga kakhulu baba.
Hayi kulungile, siyabonga.
Siyabonga. Right, ngamazwi kababa, ubaba ulembali enonileyo ngobaba uNyongolo. I've been corrected and I will never forget this. So siyabonga kakhulu. We now moving on to the next site. Siyaxoxa labantu siza ukuthi bona bakhumbulani ngobaba uNyongolo Nkomo. Welcome back to Enkundleni Exclusive, and today it's celebrations after celebrations, and Karesi ngikhonapha esiphithipithini ziyakhala amahuti akhala like kumnandi, but I've got the man of the moment uGagisa. Well, today we are celebrating into eziningi and lapha sokuthi happy birthday Gagisa. Gagisa ngizothola 74.
Azwazwaqamba nyabonga kathi uyangikhumbula ukuthi uyazi ngibirthday ya 40 years. Yeah. Ngiyindoda, ngizifila like ngumjida, ngiyindoda ngikhulile manje ngiyabona. Ngiyabona. Yeah, siku 40 Street 11th Avenue ko Carlbro khona lapha esiphithiphithi nje omuzi etsho njalo umfowethu. Hayi ngiyabonga ukuthi lamvakatshele namhlanje uGagisa.
uGagisa, yeah. And namhlanje futhi Gagisa we're celebrating impilo kababa uJoshua Mqabuko uNyongolo Nkomo, and also we're celebrating your birthday at the same day. And sifuna ukuzwa ukuthi abantu bathini ngomqabuko. Lemazi yini uTopi kumbe vele alimcavi?
Yeah, siyabonga, sijabulela kakhulu iqhawe lethu. Iqhawe lesizwe uJoshua Mqabuko Nkomo. Ngangise primary yesikhathi esichiya umdala. Kodwa eqinisweni kuzofika namhlanje ukuhamba kwamdala kwasihlukuluza, kuvele hayi akuphele enhlizweni zabantu abaphila kuleli lizwe. Siyamkhumbula umdala wethu. Namhlanje kungu-1 July ngiyakhumbula ngase primary ehamba umdala sakhala inyembezi, abadala besiqoqela ngempilo yakhe, ngomsebenzi awenza phakathi kwelizwe. Kuthe ehamba asathwala nzima kakhulu ngase primary njengoba ngisitsho.
Mina ngase ngimdala sathi sonke empini side by side, mina ngangishala umdala eshala apha, but well sithe sidlule sibona ama celebrity, sibona uGagisa, and Gagisa kulo mfana omncane oyi-youth phandle ngale ungamtshelani nxa engabuza athi ngicela untshele into ezingo-4 ngobaba uJoshua Mqabuko Nyongolo Nkomo, ezingo-4 kuphela?
Owakuqala singakufunda kuNkomo yikuba nesibindi lokumela abantu. Ungamnanzelela lwana undoda ekuphileni kwakhe wayengazikhangelanga yini, wayekhangela umphakathi. He was a great leader for sure. Iba nesibindi, umele abantu, bese ngithi njengoba usithi ngitshele umfana advise something. Mela impilo yakho, mela abantu abakho, mela imuli yakho, mela isizwe mawumuntu, ikakhulu mawuyindoda.
Mela impilo yakho, mela abantwana, mela isizwe mawuyindoda. These are the wise words from uGagisa. We're moving on. Siloko sikhuluma labantu, siloko sisizwe ukuthi abantu bathini. But well, sikhona It has been a short long drive sesifikile lapha eMpophoma where ama-areas wonke ahlangene Ntumbane, Makhandeni, Phelandaba, abantu abatsha they are here to celebrate ubaba Joshua Mqabuko Nyongolo Nkoma, and also it's an anti-drug and substance abuse program yokuthi abantu yekelana ama-drugs, yekelana isidakamizwa, philani impilo sharp. So we are here right now. Bafona abanye bathi mbuye phumula, but hayi asiye phumula thina singabala. So we are here and sisakhuluma labantu abalutshwane nje just find out ukuthi bamkhumbula ngani umdala lokuthi bona bathini nxa sikhuluma ngempilo kaMdala. So ngicela linilandele. Welcome back to Enkundleni Exclusive. Sisekasi, and today we see there is a tournament here in memory of Ubaba Joshua Mqabuko Nyongolo Nkomo. Also, this is an anti-drug program. Bakhuthaza abantu abatsha ukuthi stay away from drugs. Asenzeni izinto ezilungileyo. And right now, I've got my brother here who's as introducer. Then we just find out akwaziyo kumbe abona ngathi uyakwazi ngomdala uJoshua Mqabuko Nyongolo Nkomo. Salibona bhuti.
Yebo njani?
Igama mbani?
Vincent Murobe.
Vincent Murobe, wazakala ngani?
Yo, mina I'm the youth secretary weMora Mabutweni Osco Residents Association under 19 and 13.
Alright. So lapha kwenzakalani Karesa?
Lapha we're having a tournament yabantu bonke nje abahlali bakobulawayo residential wise, which esihlanganisayo ubana sikhumbule ilanga lanamhlanje ka 1 July njengoba sesikhuluma ngobaba wethu umdala ukhulu ukhokho kwabanye ubaba uNkomo uJoshua Mqabuko Nyongolo Nkomo obehlala kithi wa 13 ePhelandaba.
Tawubehlala kithi kwa 13 ePhelandaba. And nxa kungathiwa unike i-encouragement emuntwini omutsha osephelandaba osentumbano osemagwegwe oseruwa ukuthi ungamkhuthazani usebenzisa amazwi kababa uJoshua Mqabuko Nyongolo Nkomo.
Alright, oqala nxa ukhuluma ngomuntu kumele wena qala uinspire so that into oyikhulumayo ikhanya ukuthi ivela ngangaphi enhlizweni, because ube yi-role model kubo baba bethu kubo khulu bethu lathi isizukulwane we just heard something good about this guy. I can say ngolimi lakathesi this guy ngithi umdala wethu nasingama 2K phela we just saying this guy so that lathi feel accommodated nxa sikhuluma ngobaba. He was a unifier. Why is Fambanisa? We was an inspire also. Ube ngumuntu ukuthi la nxa ukhuluma ngabo siyasizwe abadala bethu bekhuluma ukuthi hayi inkomo so inkomo this and that and the good deeds which he did. So that's why like isifisa ukuthi ngabe 1 July ngkhona beyohlanzwa hle official holiday. Sihlale vele sisikaza. Singayisebenzi. Siyohlohla sibuchayende sibazayo umdala unkomo swi.
Bacela abantu abasha bathi sicela i-official holiday eyokucelebrate ubaba uJoshua Mqabuko Nyongolo Nkomo. These are the words of Vincent. I'll be right back. Kadesi waiting ngithi shwi. Right, welcome back to Enkundleni Exclusive. Still your boy Leslie kumnandi la emlomo sizimhlophe sibukela ibhora, and right now I'm joined by a gentleman. Say linjani?
How are you doing? I'm good.
I'm good. Ibizo mbani?
Andile Amaqhawe Ncube.
Sazakala ngani thina Andile? Abantu bakwazi ngani?
Okay, I am the Youth League chairperson for iPhelandaba district, ZANU-PF.
Oh, okay, siyabonga. And namhlanje kuhamba njani la? Sibona kugcwele abantu ibhora kuhamba njani? What exactly is happening?
All right, it was a good initiative by our national member. Ukuthi abantwana bephume emgwaqweni bebuye bezodlala. It's an anti-drug campaign eBhora. So that's why we're here. Those that are not employed, we said let us take our time out and just do something good.
Yeah, okay. And why did we choose 1 July? Kulilanga loku hlonipha ubaba uJoshua Nkomo. Is it a coincidence or it's something that was pre-planned which we want this specific day?
It was pre-planned that we want this specific day. Hopefully soon it's going to be a holiday so that like we commemorate properly umdala wethu.
Okay. And ngiyabona kugcwele abantu abatsha la, and they look up to you guys as ama community leaders, ama district leaders. So nxa singathatha from ama speech kababa uJoshua Mqabuko Nyongolo Nkomo, inkulumo kababa uJoshua Mqabuko Nyongolo Nkomo, ungafundisana abantu abatsha balapha namhlanje?
Well, there's one that is popular whereby he says Zimbabwe will not die, the youth will save it. So I believe that from that only we see how he saw the youth as very, very important. And we want to save the youth as well. We don't want them dying and succumbing to drugs and bad behavior. So we're bringing back that reassurance. Let us come back and save our nation. Yeah.
Then impact of the program. Are you doing it for the first time, or it's something that has been running for quite some time?
It is the first time this year, and hopefully it's going to continue. We're going to have more tournaments and things like that.
And the impact, Yakona, what would you say? Is it a success so far? Are you getting the numbers that you were expecting? Are young people coming in and participating? What's happening?
For the first time, I think it is a success. We didn't expect this much, and we didn't think that people were going to come through. We thought they were going to maybe turn their nose, but we are happy. We are happy. And hopefully the message goes through that people stay away from drugs.
Thank you so much, Mr. Andile. Thank you. Words of Mr. Andile. So we're still here and we're still talking to people, just finding out what they know about Ubaba, Joshua Mqabuko Nyongolo Nkomo. But it's good to see such initiatives that are here to celebrate Imbali, to celebrate Impilo, Kababu, Joshua Mqabuko Nyongolo Nkomo, and also the focus, Ugunika, focus ebantwini abatsha, which are the people, Ubaba Nkomati, this country will not die, but young people will save us. So drugs, it's quite a good initiative. So well, Tina, okwethu ukuxoxa labantu lokuzisisa ukuthi karivele kuhamba njani. But so far, asikaqedi, we need to talk to one or two people, then Spaces City Shwi, Sepumule Studio. All journalists just now. Welcome back to Enkundleni Exclusive. We're still here in Popoma and all districts combined, Pelandaba, Tumbane, youths have come from all over just to come here for a program. And today, I've got the program of organizer. Salbonarma.
Yebo linjani?
Yaphila, Lena Tombani.
Lonzi Linda Chinamano.
Linda Chinamano. Tell us about what's happening here today.
All right. Panapa tine ma youth akasangana panapa. Takaorganize ma youth ese yanobva kuno ku area 3. Kuti vanobva kuna Ntumbane, Njuve, Makandeni, Lobengula, Mpopoma, Pelandava kuti tivaunganidze nhasi musi wa 1 July tichipemberera musi wakafa gamba redu rinova baba former vice president Vangomo, nekuti tinovapemberera nekuti anga riri gamba redu ndivo vakaenda kuhondo vakanotirwira kuti nesuwo tikwanise kunge tichiva free and tichikwanisa kuti tivhure macompanies edu tiri vanhu vatema tiri ma-youth tichitenda futi napresident vedu waMnangagwa kuti navo ndivo vakativhurira kuti ma-youth ese ma-youth vhurai makambani ma-youth zvishandirei. Saka tangoti sezuva ranhasi tingobatanidza tichipemberera zuva ravakatisiya musi wa 1 July.
Okay, so judging from what you see here, would you call the program a success?
100%. Mayuthi vafara zvisingamboiti, vafarira program ino ende vabuda ende vakawanda vakazara. Vari kufara nekuti vanoziva kuti sezuva ranhasi ndio musi wakatisiya baba Big Josh Vangomo.
Then I also heard when I was doing interviews around that it's also an anti-drug and substance program. So besides my gathering, what happens after the gathering? Do we have any programs that we have that keep young people out of drugs and substances?
Right. My youth takaona kuti vakawanda vachona vanoita zvema-drugs nekuti vanenge vasina zvekuita, saka nhasi tatirege vauye tizovadzidzisa nezvekusiya ma-drugs. Then vapedza panapa vamwe vachona tinovaemploya kukampani kwedu inonzi Legal Business Company, saka tinovatora vauya kumabasa. Vamwe vachona tinovadzidzisa kuti vangachengeta sei, kuti vadzidzisa kurima, vamwe tinovadzidzisa kudriving, vamwe tinovadzidzisa kuchengeta huku, kuita sei, kuita kuti vawane zvokuita, vaite busy, vawane zvokuti vaite. Zvinongoramba zvichitaurwa napresident vedu kuti Vision 2030 munhu wese by 2030 anofanira kunge akuzvishandira, akuita zvake. Munhu wese anofanira kunge by 2030 yava inonzi upper middle income economy by 2030.
Thank you so much for such an initiative, and we wish tichaona my initiative akadai akawanda that keep my youth out of drugs. So what statement would you leave to young people out there? Maybe akataura namdara Big Josh.
Lima Mali.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Yeah, we shall be back again just now. Right, welcome back to Enkundleni Exclusive. Mina umathanda izinto ngene phakathi eground. Ngathi game email amfu ukukhuluma la lama-ref la. So igame imile karesi yime ngimisileyo ba lingamphikisi. So karesi labadala lapha and ngizabanika 1 minute ukuthi basitshele ukuthi kuhamba njani lapha lokuthi umdala bona namhlanje bamcelebrate njani lokuthi ama-drugs bachaya yini kumbe abachayi. Salibonani baba.
Yebo linjani?
Hayi siyaphila liyathomba.
Mina nguJoker.
And what role are you playing Khathesi?
I'm part of the organizing team ngapha nginguref.
Ngapha linguref. So singathini ngobaba uJoshua Mqabuko Nyongolo Ngoba?
Mina umdala ngiyamkhumbula I think bengu 99. Ngu form 4 ngise North Lee. Ngezwe teacher sesithi sichayise. Akusamanga kuhle. I think umdala bese tshonile ngesikhathi sakhona. Ngiyakhumbula sibila ndikhohlwe ilanga lakhona. But umdala behlanganisa abantu ilizwe lonke ayikhona isite la koBulawayo kuphela indawo yonke la nxa besuka ekhesi yikubona la seHarare bemthanda ebehlanganisa abantu bonke nje njalo lapha sizama ukuthi sikhuthaze abafana bona laba abadlala ibhora beke becabanga ukuthi kule izinto abangaziyenza besides okuvikela utshwala lama drugs
Asebonga, which is a very good initiative. And again I'm hearing the same statement ukuthi ubaba uBig Josh kade unifier and lo munye umdala ngasalibona mdala.
Yebo linjani?
Siyaphila baba linjani?
Sikhona linjani?
Iprogram yanamuhla ihamba kuhle yini? Ama youth azwisisa yini indaba yama drugs kumbe vele bathi hayi idoti lo.
Hayi ama youth wona ngwawo siyazama usiwayekelise amanye avuma ukuthi ayekele amanye lawo abalenkani kodwa lokho sisilwa lakho ukuthi bangangeni kuma drugs baphume imidlalo le ebhora le yenza baphume kuma drugs babuye lapha bazodlala ibhora isikhathi sonke basiqeda belapha kuyabancedisa ukuthi baphume entweni lezi ezidakamezwe.
And lina ubaba uBig Josh limkhumbula ngani?
Hey nomdala ngimkhumbula kakhulu ngimkhumbula isikhathi sathatha uzibuse umdala engabi ngu-vice president waze waba ngu-vice president waze wafika esikhathini sokutshona kwakhe ngo-1999 hayi ngimkhumbula kakhulu umdala wethu ukuthi wasitshiyela sibili isizungu esikhulu kakhulu wasitshiyela ingqobo enkulu kakhulu.
Siyabonga baba. Enkarezi lo centerman undodo yalo ukukhipha ama red card baba ama red card menga sesile 6 karezi. Linjani baba?
Hayi ngiyaphila linjani?
Igama mbani baba?
Ngumlazo.
Ngiyabona la abantu baningi abantu babuyile it means umsebenzeli ubambileyo before ubonakele.
Hayi kakhulu sithanda ukubonga nje ukuthi ilanga namhlanje ukuthi sihlanganisa ama youth lapha sibakhuthaze indaba zama drugs ukuthi bayeke sibancedise lapha la.
And ukukhetha ilanga elachona khona ubaba uBig Josh is it strategic kumbe coincidence?
Hayi strategic vele ukuthi lathi sibuye simcelebrate futhi umdala wethu.
Okay, so it's both a celebration and a awareness. Siyabonga kakhulu amakhadi baba, amakhadi. Sicela ama red card. Siyabonga, thank you so much SMP red card. Kuthi somele mbuyele studio. Thank you so much bafowethu. Right, it's done and dusted. So we've been moving around and talking to people, sting ama-drugs as watoli. But it has been a good time talking to young people, talking to old people, talking to everyone, and just finding out ukuthi umdala bamkhumbula ngani. And I've been corrected a number of times. Kodwa asonyongolo. Ngunyongolo. Akazi kumbeza kukhumbula iviki yonke but I'll try and write it down mayengakubhala kuyafana so angazi ukuthi nzenze njani. But it has been an interesting episode of Enkundleni Exclusive, and like I always say, proudly brought to you by Dep3 Events for all your event related solutions. Ufuna ama LED lights, ufuna ama screens, ufuna ama smoke machines, whatever that you may need for indoor and outdoor activities, we've got you covered. And also not forgetting the people that power our episodes. Okuhle Designs for all your graphic work, graphic printing, ama t-shirt, ama cap, ama couple goals, even ama kit ebhora. Lanike libhale phela ukuthi ma Rosa, Brian, what. We've got you covered at Okuhle Designs. So if you need anything, we've got you covered. It has been an interesting episode of Enkundleni Exclusive. We're outside, we're having fun. What is Kubeke Spugeli Bora, Karesi, we are taking I don't know what we're taking, but we meet again next week. Igama unje and Leslie salibona singalikhangela.
Uthe sihlangane sithombeni sikaNkomo unyoni angisazi singaphi sithombe sikaNkomo ngizivelela ekhaya mina ngizwa nje ukuthi kulesithombe sikaNkomo ngimbuzile umfana wamabanana singaphi isithombe sikaNkomo